This is my bird. I've been trying to give him that to stop his diarrhea. That would be a perfect example. And yet, every time I do, he calls for help. Every single time. Hey, careful. You're not going back yet. And that happens. Boy? No. No. Yikes. There. There. You're away from me. He's not very happy with me because I keep on putting a drop of this stuff in his mouth and he hates it. So I'm leaving him to relax a bit. Then I'll put him back in his cage after I clean it. This is after a couple of days. Oh yeah, your new sand sheets, I have to cut. Just great. Hey, Boykie. I don't want to handle him more than necessary. He looks as if he might be having a heart attack. That's because I don't handle him much because of all this drama. Also, I have a Yorkie that might eat him. And if I don't let her in, she cries. So yeah. That is this red stuff, which ain't working so well. Coming! As soon as I can. Can you bring it here though? Thank you, Ma. Also, I bought this last night. Jackie Chan and some other dude. Bald-headed dude. I bought it because I caught sight of Jackie Chan. Oh, great. And yes, I'm just sitting here, hoping he'll get used to me. Hey, Nicky. Hey, Nicky Wick. He ain't happy with me. So here comes the part of trying to catch him. Yay! Nicky, come here, boy. Come. I don't want him to fly. Okay, he flew, but not much. Can you come? Come. 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 On. Boy. Come. And yes, my windows are closed. I keep them closed because other birds will fly in here. And I don't want him flying out. And voila. Quite easy to get him back in. And yes, I have to clean his cage. I might have to buy him a new one, because this is not a nice cage. I have to buy him a completely new cage. It's about 6, 7. So yeah.